Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making berry chia jam. Compared to normal jam, this has got a lot more health benefits and a lot less sugar. So as you can see, we don't need many ingredients for this recipe. Just start by putting all of the berries in a saucepan and then putting it on a low heat for about 10 minutes until you get to this consistency. And then once you take it off the heat, you just want to mash up all of the berries. And then add in the lemon juice and give it a quick stir. And then you just want to add the chia seeds. I started off with 2 tablespoons, but as the mixture cools down and thickens, you might want to review this. I ended up doing 4 tablespoons in total, and then just a small splash of agave or honey or maple syrup. And then you just want to let this cool at room temperature for about an hour, and then you can pop it into a jar. So this should thicken a little bit more in the fridge when it gets cold. So that's our chia jam all ready to go. I like to top mine on top of pancakes or on top of peanut butter on toast, or have it with a bowl of yogurt and muesli. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more cooking and baking content. Bye!